Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your tax form from Cash App. So this is going to come in handy in case tax season is right around the corner and you need your tax form from Cash App. So what we're going to do first is go ahead into our Cash App account, which is this green and white icon that you see right over here. Now, once you're on this page, go ahead and click on your profile image on the upper right hand corner. Now, from here, you're going to see a series of different tabs and settings. Let's go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Documents between Themes and Support. So click on Documents. Now from here, you're going to see a variety of different documents based on categories. So you have categories for account statements, savings accounts, stocks, Bitcoin, tax returns. So go ahead and click on tax returns. And so on this page, this is where you're actually going to be able to get your tax returns or tax forms for your Cash App account. Keep in mind that your 1099-B forms are located in documents under Bitcoins or stocks. So if you do need your 1099-B forms, let's go ahead and go back. You would just click on your Bitcoin or stocks category under this documents page. So that is how to actually go ahead and retrieve your tax forms from Cash App. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.